everybody that comes to Miami, they're like,
Yes.
they define Miami as tropical leaves and tropical flowers.
We do sexy tropical.
So we do sexy tropical.
I think they open their possibility for color when you told them that you wanted to bring more color this year, because they wanted to be corporate and they wanted to be safe the past years, and this year they say no, color explosion. So I think our clients are gonna love it, and they're gonna have fun, and as you can hear, there's some sexy music going on as well.
They're doing the sound check, and it's gonna be a fabulous evening, and I can't wait for their event in 2025.
Yes. Bye.